Are you an electrician, a builder, or the owner of a building, or looking for a shop to buy electrical appliances? Then Roca Electricals is your shop for all electrical appliances, both in wholesale and retail. Buy circuit breaker, lamp holder, consumer units, showers, extensions, earth rod, and all sorts of cables, sockets, and top plugs. They also have a variety of lights, from ceiling lamps, fluorescent tubes, and fitting lights, chandelier lights, floodlights, wall brackets, panel lights, downlighter, street lights, and doorbells. They also have contour and touch-it glue, conduit pipes, circular boxes, switch boxes, cable ties, and insulation tapes. Visit them at Nyatero Plaza, next to National Bank, ground floor, Hospital Road in Kisii Town, or call them on 0721872198 or 0721593958 or 0721902080. Roca Electricals, one-stop shop for all electrical appliances.